Police.
What go on there? You got a warrant?
Officers came knocking on my door after 4 this morning. They say they got a call from someone saying something here is burning. Through the streets and through the town, through the mountains, the buildings all around, you can smell it. Well, the officers wanted to come in to make sure that they check out the whole scene. No warrant, I invite the whole team to let them see that my premises real clean. I don't know where they get the information, but if they feel like carrying me down a station, they bust in their anticipation. I'm a youth with enough education. Well, it was smelling strong on the